here. This is how we do it. I'm working. Highway US 150. Coming up to Montgomery. Uh-oh, there's a big truck. Whoa! Missed me. Watch for slow traffic, my ass. Oh, Montgomery. Hey, what's that? That's my Coca-Cola. Uh-oh. Anyways, coming into town. Don't mess around. Popo will get you. See there? Look at there. Big truck city. Go on, Klosterman. Yeah. Don't know who that guy was. Oh, not the fucking uniform guy. Where the fuck they wear uniforms at on the fucking farmland? I don't understand that shit. Uh-oh. Oh, windshield wiper. There's the one and only gas station in town. Yep. Amish restaurant, Village Inn. Stop and see. Hot fish. Uh-oh. Hey, Budman. Yeah, buddy. That's the man right there. The beer truck. Yes, the beer truck. And what do we got here? 11:59, 36 degrees. Wow. Anyways, this is just the first glimpse of this is how we do it. Thank you. Thank you very much. And now we're hauling ass. Bam. See ya. Wow.